Obviously, Geraldo's back with us on this and more. So it's weird, Geraldo, because, you know, when Blanche was going through his confirmation hearings, he said something to the effect, this slush fund thing is like a moot point because we're getting rid of it. But like Joe said, it's not in writing. So the fear is, you know, it could come back, and these guys are trying to hold it up. So what do you think of the whole thing?
I think Todd is toast, personally, because you know, this is a big item. You can't finesse their position, Tillis and Cornyn's position, on the weaponization fund. They are dramatically, overtly opposed to it. They insist that any statements that it would be discontinued or revoked should be in writing, which they'll never get. I think that what's going to happen here is Todd Blanche is already acting Attorney General of the United States. He is the head of the Justice Department. He's the country's lawyer. The fact that he's acting doesn't affect in a meaningful way his powers. So I think that the president will do is just leave him as an acting Attorney General and have effectively the same result that he had, because he's not going to, unless Todd Blanche totally goes against what the president has suggested and says in writing that we will end this weaponization fund. Right. We're going to not give you automatic immunity to the Trump family and the Trump entities. You know, they have the luxury now because they're not going to be in the next Senate. But the downside that's a gamble because the Republicans could get trounced. And the committee could change.
But if Trump pulled him back and then put him forward in the next Senate, assuming that everyone else is going to support, like they might now, that's a gamble. They might not. I mean, there might be people hiding behind Cornyn and Tillis in the Senate, Republicans, that are afraid to stand up to the president, and they might feel differently in January. I mean, I don't know. And then, to your point, Todd might really be toast long term.
I think that it is a very difficult road for him, because of the way he has conducted himself in office. You know, I sort of like the guy. I like the fact that he's been so loyal to the president. But, you know, the Epstein victims, you really haven't heard from them. You know, and that meeting he had, Blanche had with Ghislaine Maxwell in prison, where she went from being in the in solitary confinement to being in the president's suite of the jail she's in. You know, I think that those things still will toll. And given his unpopularity on the war, I think the president will suffer an embarrassment with Todd Blanche unless he quits right now and says he's acting until the next time. Unless he takes that gamble, at least he postpones the moment of truth for these you know, these 6 months. Whatever
I want to thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.